A huge racket is involved in the couple swapping case, said the prop team. According to the investigation team, the accused used social media to trap others by creating fake profiles and joining them to groups like couple swapping. According to investigators, tracing the people behind the racket is tough because fake social media identities were created. Meanwhile, the 7 members of the racket who were apprehended recently are being questioned. The complainant woman's husband was also arrested by the police. Police told the reporters that no further information could be provided because the case involved several families and that more persons are under surveillance in connection with the case. The woman was being forced to participate in these activities by her husband. Following this, the woman filed a complaint with the police regarding the matter. It is said that money was also charged for swapping deals. Many VIPs are also involved in the case according to reports. The police were able to crack the couple sharing organization after a complaint was filed by a woman from Changanashiri. According to authorities, the group, which is active on social media, includes roughly 1,000 men who are willing to trade their wives for sex. The Changanashiri woman said she was raped by a member of the group. She added that her husband compelled her to have sex with him against her will. In a similar occurrence in Kayangulam in 2019, 4 persons were apprehended. The wife of an accused man claimed that she was forced to have sex with 2 strangers and that her husband was pressuring her to sleep with more. They were using ShareChat to communicate. Despite the fact that authorities were aware of similar events across the state, they were unable to intervene owing to a lack of complaint. As such, incident occurred with the permission of the victims. The most recent case, though, is more significant because it involves financial transactions according to authorities. Some of the group's single males paid husbands to have sex with their wives. According to insiders, the case will be thoroughly investigated and more arrests will be made soon. The Kerala police arrested 7 persons in connection with exchange of partners for sex after a woman lodged a complaint with the Karukajal police in Kottayam district on Sunday. The police said that while 7 persons were arrested, more than 25 people are under observation and more arrests are likely to be made in the couple of days. More than 1,000 couples are in these groups and they were exchanging women according to the police. Police said that the accused belonged to 3 districts of the state, adding that people from across the state are part of this racket. Sources also said that several people who are in the higher echelons of society are part of this group. A senior police official from Kottayam told media, "The modus operandi is to first join the Telegram and Messenger groups and then 2 or 3 couples meet periodically. After that, women are exchanged and there were even instances of a woman being shared by 3 men at a time. Money also changed hands as some single members in the group providing their wives to some men for money for a day of physical relationship." Police said that a detailed investigation is on to get the minute details of those who were involved in this women exchange group and whether these group members have relationship with any other groups. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.